Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to scan TikTok QR codes. So watch this video till the end. QR codes are simply embedded into an image which if scanned can direct you to an app website. So let's begin. First open up your TikTok app. Then tap on Profile that is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you land on your profile, tap on three horizontal lines that is on the top right corner of your screen, also known as hamburger icon. A menu bar will pop up. Tap on My QR Code. You will see your QR code. Now tap on Scanner option that is located on the top right corner of your screen, and it will open your camera. From here you can scan the TikTok QR code. So that is how you scan TikTok QR codes. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.